Silver spikes to a massive number overnight. We're going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver update. What is causing these huge spikes in silver? Let's get right to it, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Happy coffee. It's massive news this morning on gold and silver. It has exploded beyond explosions, beyond explosions. Happy coffee to that. This makes me very, very excited for gold and silver, and yet also kind of bums me out just a little bit because it's just pricing SSC right out of the market. Oh my gosh. Silver and gold overnight exploded in price, and we hit record highs on both gold and silver. Let's get right to it. Then we're going to talk about what is causing some of the things that are causing this huge, huge silver spike and this big gold spike. So let's get right to it. Happy coffee. It's Tuesday, and we got some blueberry muffin mountain awesomeness. Very good coffee. Very good. Okay, let's get right to it. Sorry, everybody. I'm really wound up about this morning. Silver and gold. If you've got a big hoard of silver, guys, you're killing it right now. If you got a big hoard of gold, you're killing it. Gold 47.25.20. 47.25.20. New all-time high, everybody. Fantastic. Is this not crazy? Silver hit over $95. It was $95.05 just a while ago. I mean, it is 4:40. Yeah, 4:40 in the morning. And about 4:30, it was 95.05, I believe. Oh, excuse me, guys. Allergies are in mild force this morning. So we're DEFCON, 3, 2, something like that? Golly, every morning. So right now, silver's at 94.93, still a historical high. 95.05. Massive increase. I mean, we thought that silver's going to hit $100 this week. Is it possible? It sure well could be right now. I mean, golly, $4 an ounce in a day and a half, $5 an ounce. This is crazy. Hey, let me also let everybody know how much I appreciate in all this craziness, everybody watching our videos, supporting our channel, everybody. It is awesome. All over the world. Guys, we're at 5,705 subscribers. We're only less than 300 away. And then we're giving the rest of the gold backs and the rest of the Libertad triangular copper bars away. So, cool, man. If it wasn't for you, I made the passes, you caught them. I wouldn't be here, everybody. So let's get back to it. Once again, here we go. It's up to 95.03 again, and gold 47.25. Historical numbers, everybody. What's everybody going to do? I will keep buying, just in smaller amounts. You know, I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm going to tell you that every time we do these videos, because there's always someone out there, you know, if you know what I mean. But, man, I'm just going to keep buying it in smaller amounts, and also have some alternative metals I'm having fun with, like nickel and maybe a little titanium, maybe a little bit more nickel for fun, because those bars are really cool. If you didn't watch the video on Sunday on the pickups. So Go watch that video, check it out. Pretty cool pickups. And silverbacks, if I can find them, they're gone, guys. The 2026 silverbacks are tough ones. So, and the Washington D.C. goldbacks are the 250th anniversary. They're tough. But platinum is it's up $2,390. Well, not up, but it's $2,390. Guys, if I misspeak some of these, sometimes they'll say $47.26 on gold, but you know what I'm talking about, right? I mean, I misspeak all the time. I get excited. That's the ADHD mind working right there. It's up $15. Palladium is one that's up. It's $18.27, up $7 this morning. Rhodium, it's the same. It's just about the same. So let's roll over here. What's happening in Hong Kong? Hong Kong's at 93.31 on silver, 46.72 on gold. Mumbai is at 94.30 and 46.95. And guess what? London. These are some of the reasons we're going to talk about this silver and gold spike, everybody. London's at 95.38. So New York is not showing yet. They don't open till later on. So let's look at the gold and silver ratio. Okay. Gold is rocking and rolling, right? And silver is rocking and rolling. So yesterday it was 49 and some change, and it still is. It's 49.75. Gold and silver kind of holding strong together. What are you going to do? Man, we are this channel is, our channel is a family channel, everybody, for everybody. From my living room to you. I love it because I'm making friends, right? I don't know you personally. I don't know what you look like unless you have a picture or something. But anyway, but we're a family on this channel. So let's talk to each other. There's a lot of new stackers on here. I can't get to all the comments. It's crazy. There's so many of you making comments. I can't keep up with it. I remember I have a full-time job I leave and go to after we do these videos and post them. And we're doing good this morning. I slept in a little bit than I normally do, so things are fantastic. I'm excited. I got my coffee. It's Tuesday. We're expecting a snowstorm in Oklahoma this weekend, everyone. In Oklahoma. We don't have snowstorms that often in Oklahoma, so happy coffee snow. But I tell you what, things are really driving these prices. And like I said, we're going to talk about that in just a second. There's multiple things, but the latest things that drove these spikes, pretty incredible. So let's move on to, let's go to goldbacks. Goldback, I believe, they were probably closed yesterday also on Monday, Martin Luther King Day. So they didn't really change. They're still 918, but we know it's well over 918 because silver and gold were up yesterday, and the markets ended yesterday early, a little bit early, and then reopened back up later on. So I think what was it? Silver was at 94.22 end of yesterday on that close. So we're still rocking and rolling. It is just killing it. Killing it. It's exciting, guys. It's exciting to see your investment absolutely skyrocket in value. If you have 500 ounces of silver, 100 ounces of silver, 50 ounces, 10 ounces, 20 ounces, to see that you made a great investment. Oh, by the way, I want to congratulate a new stacker. A new stacker, Will, at T&W Tire in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, bought his first 10-ounce bad boy silver bar before the big spike. Congratulations, Mushroom Head. That is his new nickname, Mushroom Head, at 10W. Will, great job. Your first 10 ounce, and guess what it did? It went up $5 an ounce. How can you get any better of an investment than what is going on in precious metals, everybody? And it's just incredible. It's just incredible. So our copper is at 587. It's down just a tinky bit, just a little bit. I think 4 cents or something. Nickel, you saw the nickel bars. Those were really pretty. I might pull them out maybe later this week and show them to you again, because there's some of you that haven't gone back and saw Super Sunday Copper or Super Copper Sunday. I can't remember what I named it now. I just dedicated the copper Sunday to copper, just because, we do 99% of our videos are for gold and silver. And we love gold and silver, and we love you, gold and silver lovers. But there are millions of copper viewers. This latest copper video that we did on Sunday is already at 7,000 views, everybody. And we've got some over 13,000. It's just people are really, really excited about beautiful minted copper. I stress minted copper, not copper wire scrap copper Home Depot. So don't comment about you can go buy scrap copper and all that stuff and take it to the scrap yard. Good for you if you can, right? But that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about the other good stuff. So aluminum's at like $1.42, and zinc $1.43, and lead really 90 cents an ounce. Bitcoin has dropped to 91,171. How about that? Isn't that amazing? The massive volatility of Bitcoin, which is not a real currency. It's not a metal. So everybody, what is causing happy coffee? And I did some research yesterday, because we were slow yesterday. And what is causing the latest bumps, I believe, I got it right here, in gold and silver prices. Now, everybody in the United States knows that President Trump is trying to acquire Greenland. I'm going to stay neutral on this topic, really, to be honest with you. I don't know what's going on as a human being, really, with Greenland. I know there's a lot of money involved as far as in protection. It's right there in the United States, basically, close to us, and so we are trying to keep other forces from taking that country, right? So I don't know. Anyway, he put a 10% extra 10% tariff on several European countries. Okay. And by June 1st, if nobody has gone on board with supporting the United States in this attempt to acquire Greenland, to buy Greenland, basically, we're going to bump it up to 25%. So guess what, guys? There's a bunch of these countries that produce gold and silver. Some of them not so much, but there's a bunch of them that do. I've got it right here. Let's look at, I don't think these European leaders are very excited about this, but France and Germany are two countries that produce a significant portion of gold and silver. And they're some of the countries that have been hit with these tariffs. United Kingdom, they don't really produce a bunch of gold and silver, but they're a major hub for precious metals, right? So some of this I'm reading to you, and some of this I have in my head. It's just the way it is. We've got Nordic countries, Sweden, was it Norway, all those countries, Denmark. Um, they have the tariffs imposed on them. They're also producers of silver and gold. This is one of the big spikes driving up gold and silver. And of course, our industrial uses are huge in gold and silver. A lot of people are jumping in as a safe haven right now because of what's going on. So a lot of the big banks, central banks, all that stuff are still buying up gold and silver, and everybody else is freaking out. So those are some of the reasons why. I think the biggest reason why we've had this big silver and gold spike. And is this temporary? This could be a temporary spike. I kind of think it is, to be honest with you. It could be if Trump releases these tariffs on these countries, then could we have a dip back down in silver and gold? I think we probably could. But as of right now, we're heading towards that $100 mark big time. Right now, we're still over $95 an ounce on silver. We're at 95.03, and historical numbers, everybody, historical numbers. 47, 25, 50 on gold. I got to make some phone calls on this stuff. Got some people to help out, I think, that want to sell their silver. So we're going to maybe get with some folks and see if they want to buy it. It's a pretty good portion of silver. So it's a portion I would like to have. So gold's at 47, 26.90, silver at 95.06. Everybody, make sure everybody comments. Everybody, what is going on? What do you think's going on? Rachel, what do you think's going on? You hit it pretty hard on this channel. And tomorrow, I'm going to show a little, when I do my video, I'm going to show you how to email me from my homepage because a lot of people have difficult times getting hold of me. All you got to do is go to the homepage, hit the more. There's a little more button on there right in the center. It says more. You know, it's my bio, and then it says more, and you click more, and then you look down, and it says email. You click that email, that's my email. But we're having some difficult times getting a hold of each other, Sess. But we will. And things are, golly, I love it. 47.72 or 49.72 on the GSR, everybody. Everything else is the same. Bitcoin's the same. Gold back won't change till about 11 o'clock Central Standard Time, my time. So historic gold, historic silver, everybody, historic metals, historic everything. Copper's difficult. Minted copper's very difficult to get still. I've got some pickups coming in we'll show you. But hey, everybody have a great Tuesday. Stay safe, stay warm. We thank you. And don't forget, thank our Heavenly Father for everything that we have, not for what we do not have, everybody. He is the reason, Christ is the reason that we have silver, we have gold, we can look at it, we can appreciate it. It was put on this earth for us, and we thank you, Father. Everybody have a fantastic Tuesday. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States, America. Hyperactivity and all. I am out, guys.